Hello and welcome to another tutorial by wizardtutorial.com. My name's Tom, and today we're going to talk about the A tag or the anchor tag or the hyperlink or the link, whatever you refer to it as. It's probably one of the most important tags in HTML. It's probably one of the most important tags to the World Wide Web. If we didn't have A tags, we wouldn't be able to navigate around the internet. You'd probably be stuck on one web page, and that'd probably be pretty boring. So links give us the ability to jump around the internet, jump around a website, jump around a document itself. So A tags are very important. So we're going to take a look at them today. So let's start by taking a look at the A tag syntax. And we do that by opening caret A, oops, that's an S, A, closing caret, and then we'll close it out with opening caret, backslash, A, closing caret. That is the syntax of a hyperlink or a anchor tag or a tag, whatever you refer to it as. Um, so this doesn't do anything for us though. We got to tell it, hey, you got to go somewhere. So we're going to do that by using an attribute called href, and we're going to set equals. We'll give it some quotes, and we're going to put a link in here, a URL to the location we want this link to go to. We're going to do HTTP colon backslash, and we're going to do wizardtutorial.com. That's our website. So we're going to link to that. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and show you something. We're going to refresh our browser here. I saved the document. As you can see, there is no link here. And that's because we need to give it something. We can give it an image, we can give it text. So whatever you feel like giving it. First we'll give it text, and then we'll give it an image. Wizard tutorial. So there's our text. So when I save this, I bring it up in the document. So I would save this and I bring it up in the document, which I just repeated myself, and I apologize. My dog's being a pain in the arse. Anyway, I save it, bring it up, I'm going to refresh my web page here, and I got wizardtutorial.com. If I click on that, it's going to take us to our website. Obviously, my internet's being extremely slow right now, so we're going to stop it, and you're going to have to take my word for it that that's where it goes. I don't want to waste all your time. That's where it goes. My internet's being really slow, or it's my computer. So anyway, we got wizardtutorial.com here. This is our location. This is where we're going to go. This is the text of the link. We can also put an image, so let's try that. We'll do image source equals, and I know we haven't talked about images previous tutorials, but we'll get to them. Image, the saying's going to be an image, and the source is the location of the image. And we're going to do tenant.jpg. This is the hockey team that I coach is actual logo, and what we're going to do is bring up that image. So I'm going to save this file. I'm going to refresh my browser, and there's that image. Pretty cool logo, huh? If I click on this, it should take me to Wizard Tutorial. As you can see, my cursor changes, and once again my internet is being extremely slow, so you're gonna have to trust me on that one more time. So it takes me to my website. Alright, another thing we can do is, while that's being extremely slow, we'll see how long it takes to open, we can also add other attributes in here. So let's say we want to do a download. So I'm going to say HTML5 tutorial download. Alright. In here I'm going to do download. This is an attribute. Equals. And I'm going to say HTML5 download. Alright. We'll save that. It still hasn't made it to my website. There we go. Man, that took forever. Anyway, we're going to have to go back. Good work. So now we got HTML5 tutorial download. Now if we want to download a document or a file or whatever, image, we'd have we put in download in here, okay, and that's telling the browser, hey, I want to download this, and we put HTML5 tutorial download. That's the link. That's what you see right here. The location is going to go to wizardtutorial.com. It's going to take forever. So what I'm going to do is we're going to change this because maybe my website's being extremely slow. So we're going to change it to ESPN.com. I'm sure their site's pretty damn fast. And we'll refresh this. And we're going to download the HTML document of their website. So watch this. We're going to click on it and download it. Boom. Downloaded the HTML document of ESPN. And it actually is going to bring up ESPN website because I clicked on it, but it's the HTML code of the website. But we can make it anything. If your if this goes to a file or a folder within your website, then it would download that. Okay. What other attributes can we look at here that may be important? You can do hreflang. Hreflang, there it is, equals quotes and en for English. So we're saying when you visit this link, it's in English. It's just kind of like a heads up to the browser or the search engine or whatever reading it. More of the search engine is going to use this to know how to index the document and the link. We use rel. Rel is basically tells search engines what kind of document is it linking to. So if I said author, for example, would say it's linked to an author page about the author of the website or something like that. Helps search engines index it that way. There's a couple other tags out there, like let's see here. You can use target, the way it opens up the browser in a window. We can do target equals quotation marks, and we do self. That's how it'll open the same window. We can do blank. This will open it in a new window or a new tab, and then there's top and parent that open them in different frames. What else? Type. We can use type as what type of media is this link linking to. We can do text, HTML, like that. So it's saying it's a text document or HTML document. We can do, what else am I missing? We can ping, where we can collect data on what links are clicked. Ping, and then you give the link here, like say I want to know when this link's clicked to ESPN, I want it to be sent to wizardtutorial.com, and that's how we do that, and we send the data to that. So that's pretty much it. There's a couple other attributes and options that you can use within an A tag or an anchor tag or a link or hyperlink, whatever you want to refer to it as, but it is one of the most important. So basically, for a link to work, that's what you need right there. href is the only thing you need to have, all right, for the link to work. If we don't have href, it's just basically a placeholder. So if I go like this, refresh, you see it's not linked. It's a placeholder, but it's not linked. It's not doing anything. So if I go in here and do href equals http cnn.com, that is a link. I come over here, refresh, boom, I'll go to cnn.com. Alright, so that is a hyperlink, and that's how we link to web pages, content in our same document, or other websites. So if you have any questions, leave a comment on our YouTube page or on our website at wizardtutorial.com, and we'll see you in the next one.